All right, hello. So this is a quick explanation on how to download and install our Unzip and Unlink tool. Why would you want to do this? Well, whenever you import MRI, here we have variant clips in the contouring session. You can see that these MRI all come inherently registered. So if you want to do multiple registrations to break it, it's kind of difficult to do from this side. How to find and install it? You can go to, let me just bring this over, and go to my GitHub page. So you would go to github.com/Brian M. Anderson. Bring this main splash screen, and I click repositories. And the top one is Unzip-Unlink right now because I just commented on this. So you can either come here and clone the repo, rebuild it in Visual Studio if you like, or you can just take whatever the current version I've published is. So that says program can be downloaded and installed from here. So I click this, which will go to my Google Drive where the application is currently sitting. Now, effectively, you would download this and extract it, and that is going to end up looking like this. So Unzip, Unlink GUI. This is where it's currently located at my institution, UCSD. So from the UCSD side, it's under physics and then public tools. And I'll go to Unzip-Unlink GUI. And then down here is the Unzip-Unlink GUI application. So I'll just run the exe and I'll click run. Here it is. So that is about it. The next video will show how you can actually use this to run on any patients or however you like. Thank you very much.